yote klani yote katika Isiolo sawa wanajenga mtu marabo.
Former Ijara Member of Parliament Ahmed Ibrahim Abass has dismissed as fake the recent endorsement of Senator Abdul Kadir Haji as the sole candidate for the Garissa gubernatorial race by a section of the Samadal Council of Elders. Both Abass and Haji had presented their nomination papers to the council, each seeking the clan's backing ahead of the next general election. However, last Wednesday, after months of consultations and closed-door meetings, elders led by Sultan Hassan Omar Shure announced that the clan would rally behind Senator Haji. Abass and his supporters have termed the move divisive, vowing to remain in the race to the end. Speaking at a hotel in Garissa town after receiving endorsements from a splinter group of elders, Abass described Haji's endorsement as illegitimate.
Today. You cannot lock people in a room and claim that you have been endorsed. So what I'm saying is that endorsement was fake. The true endorsement, it is this one of today, done in the open while people are fasting. You can imagine if the people of Garissa were not fasting today. You can imagine the number. And therefore, I want to tell my community that I will not take for granted. I will not let you down. I will serve the people of Garissa to the best of my ability. And my record is clear. My record is clear as a member of parliament for Ijara. The people of Garissa know what I did.
Homa Bay Governor Gladys